Hello, tube of you. It is July the 1st. Tonight is our town's firework display. What is this? Is this my rug? Is this my rug? Dude, why? Ugh, we'll address that later. Anyway, we normally walk down to the football field to watch, but just not feeling up to it. Well, I cannot keep my fingers out of the way of these cameras. My back's been bothering me the last couple of days, so just don't quite feel like walking down there. It's not too hot, but we'll be able to see everything from here. Got a little while yet before it starts, but it'll be right there. Hopefully that street light don't get in the way. I don't know if you can see the lightning bugs, but it sure makes me happy to see lightning bugs for some reason. I don't know where Bubba went. He was just out here. I just seen a lightning bug. Ugh! Oh well. So we had a couple exciting days in the garage this week. I'm just sitting there, and out of the corner of my eye, I see something move, and I look, and it's a big old frog about the size of my fist. So naturally, I jump up, go wake up Scott. I'm gonna need you to come get this frog out of the garage. It's just hopping around. So he gets it. And then day before yesterday, or was it yesterday? One of the two, there was a little bitty frog that was inside the cat's water dish, of all places. So again, I had to go wake him up, because I get up super early, especially here lately, not being able to sleep. But anyway, so I had to go wake him up and have him get that frog out. Everybody's starting to line up, get a good seat, a good spot down there at the ball field. Oh, me. Oh, there was one. Oh. Where'd it go? I heard a birdie. And there's Bitty girl. Bitty Bitty. And update on Snowball. I don't know if I've said yet. Snowball did not make it. He was just too little. We tried. I even went and got a kitten bottle and kitten formula, but he was already experiencing the fading kitten, or kitten fading, or whatever it's called. He was just fading. I don't want to use the D word, but she was no longer willing to nurse. She was clawed me up a couple of times pretty good when I was trying to make her stay laying down. So, sad little update about that. But we tried, we did all we could. Sometimes it just don't work out. We'll check back in here in a little bit. Sorry, I keep putting my finger in the way. We'll check back here in a little bit and see the fireworks show. Still waiting. I don't know if it's dark enough yet. I don't think it's going to be dark enough just yet. I'm wondering what the puppy dog's gonna do. Yes, we do. What? I don't see anything. Oh, yeah, I see that. Not that you can see, little boy. What is it? Dang, another limb fell?
No, he drugged that one over there, and I told him to put it back, but he can't. He drag it over there, but he can't drag it back.
That light's gonna be a problem. What are you doing?
I don't know.
And here comes the train. Look at this ridiculousness, will ya?
That's his daddy.
Go. I did. Let's get on with it. I noticed Gunny hadn't been aggravating him since we've been out here.
He bit him
I
yesterday.
know it.
He finally had enough. Ain't nonsense.
As soon as I go in the house, it starts. It's all right. Woo! Goodness. It's okay. Woo! Goodness. It's okay.
That's silly.
Ooh!
Like lightning.
My goodness. Tail. Bubba, get back. You don't want to get bit, son. Get back. My goodness.
Shut up, done it. Get this scared. Go lay down somewhere. Mercy.
Ooh, it's like lightning.
We're just trying to climb in my lap.
Well, his tail is hitting me and on the right girl. Very unpleasant.
That's so good.
All right. All right.
Look at it. She's silly. It's okay, Butchie. It's okay.
Cover your ears. Better for it.
Yeah, don't like it. It scares a girl.
Here again. Whee! Whee! Look at that! It went all the way!
I love that the purple and gold are colors, you know.
Was our firework in the world?
Down. Put it down.
Woo, that's pretty.
That's little. It's like a slowly swim.
Oh wow, I like that. I love those.
It's like stars.
Yeah, it is.
Something that
Those are my favorites. The white, not
These are way high, the spot.
the white ones, you know, the clear or whatever. Those are my favorite.
Whoa!
Oh wow, that's pretty.
That is cool. That is like a star.
So glad it's in our front yard.
I know.
It looks like a star.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Wow.
Wow.
What was that?
Wow.
Whoa.
Why do we bother walking down there every year?
Like the playground.
Yeah, well, that ship has sailed. Woo. It's okay. Oh wow. That's the only ones we can't really see. Woo! Yeah, it is. You know, I think I was about 13 before I found out what fireworks were made out of. Such a girl.
Whoa!
Because of what?
I took him apart.
Of course you did. Those are kind of cool.
Look at that!
They seem closer this year, like they're doing it closer.
Might be when the baseball field this year.
It
It's a Bitco Park over there, I guess. I don't know.
may be. That better not have been the finale. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my. That is so loud.
But you can't get inside there.
Oh, that was pretty. Oh, I love that. What is that? Oh, I love that. Oh, I'm getting goosebumps. That used to be so emotional. Imagine.
That looks like a firework fire right there. If they were orange, it would be.
Yeah. Woo! Ah, goodness.
Yeah.
That's gonna be a big one.
If you're like independent. What?
Oh wow.
It looks like an orange again.
I do too.
Whoa, that's loud.
Oh, I love that.
What?
Oh, I smell burnt plastic. Do you?
Burnt toast on it.
Am I having a stroke? Ooh.
Like a tree.
Huh?
Kind of look like a tree.
Uh-huh. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. Oh, I love that. What's he chanting over there?
Whoa, that thing's like a window. Shooting star. Oh,
Goodness. They're definitely closer. Woo! Because if we went down there where we usually go, we would have to be kind of looking back this way. We never had to do that. It was always straight ahead towards the highway. That looked like Christmas. My goodness. Yeah, they're very close to some trees. I don't know. I hope they're not too dry. Woo. Oh. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Way up in the trees. Whew, that's pretty.
That's cool. Whoa! Look at that.
Uh-huh. Oh, wow. Oh, there goes the finale.
The finally?
Yep.
Look at that.
That's really pretty, isn't it?
Yeah. Honey, when it gets done, we do it
We haven't bought any yet.
I told you we need to go store buy
It's the 1st of July, not the 4th of July.
Oh, it's so pretty.
You can see it from here. The fireworks is following me. Following me.
Oh, I like that one.
Yeah.
Oh. I thought the other thing was the finale. Some of that looks like Christmas. Woo. Woo. There it is. There it is. My goodness. Hey. Whoa. And that would be the finale. Woo! I just got to do my woo. You always got to be a woo girl.
That's not me say that.
I was a woo girl. Are you proud of me? Somebody's just not into it tonight.
That was it?
All right, that's it. Say goodnight to the two of you. That was a very, very good display. They did a great job, whoever does it. Look at all that smoke. Gracious.
Yeah.
Whew, that's a lot of smoke. Alrighty. Happy 4th of July on the 1st of July.